Yo, welcome back to another video. Today I made $200 in just under 3 minutes. I took a 930 Judas swing, which is the model that I talked about in my other video. If you want to learn how I trade, go watch that. And before you watch this video, I'd appreciate it if you could drop a like, comment and subscribe. Helps me a lot and it lets me know that people are actually watching and enjoying the content. Anyways, let's get straight into the video. It would be so nice if we can just get like an EQ retracement with this 15 minutes about to be made, like that. And then, you know, we've got lrlr like I said before, but I don't care about this to that much extent. If we start dumping aggressively, then I probably will. But for now, like it's not in my sights because we've hit EQ of that 1 minute wick, and it just looks like we're holding it, and I think it's protected. And the way we were like just going up is just telling me we are bullish. So yeah, we're going up here for sure. We'll try this long here if we get it on. I might try it now, to be fair. I think we are just going to blast up. Stops here. No reason to really hesitate here, so I want to see an instant pump. Okay, there's break even. So obviously, plan remains the same of just seeing price kind of shoot up here. I want to see like a domino effect. Yeah, I want to see a domino effect where price takes out like every high here because we're just like really bullish. ES has taken out this high, so the next target for ES is there. So far so good. I like that momentum a lot. Really obvious candle. I don't want to see any rejection though until like at least here, because this is the actual target technically. I think it's inevitable that we get to this high. This is also 30,000 psych level. God, I might even hold for longer, to be honest. I don't really mind holding this. So there's the 5 minute internal high, or the 5 minute high inside, not inside of a gap. So yeah, I mean, I'd want to see a continuation here really. Looks really promising though so far. Yeah, so I would not want to see a reaction here because we're now entering this rejection block. So it becomes a bit more risky here. Okay, so I don't want to see a blast. And bang. Okay, so done for the day there. Really obvious trade. Delivery out of EQ with this most recent swing impulse leg. Bull market open, I said that we were going to go higher, and that's just purely because of the most obvious lrlr ever. Like, you don't want to fade lrlr like this in the markets. Hourly was super wicky, and I said before we would not go for this data low here, right? Because if we draw the Fibonacci tool to find out EQ of the wick, we held EQ of the wick, and we had no intention of going lower, and that was told to us because of the overnight structure of just like being bullish. So that made no sense to go lower. I mean, just an absolute beauty. Entered before it inversed because I knew we'd go up without the inversion, right? The inversion most of the time is just a byproduct of the market going up or down. So I don't really care about the inversion as mechanically here, more discretion just because of lrlr and the targets above. Knew they'd be used as a domino effect. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. Done in about 3 minutes.